Hey everybody, this is Charlene, and I wanted to create a video for you this morning on how to use the Power Lead system to create a lead custom capture page for whatever business it is that you do. So you could have a main business that you generate income for, but use the Power Lead system to create beautiful capture pages and sales funnels to generate leads for that business. So it's very easy to do. You can actually do it in just a couple of minutes. But I will walk through the steps a little bit slower so you can take some notes and really learn how simple this is. So basically you're going to go to websites and copy web pages. And then you will come to a screen like this, and you want to make sure that this says become a prospect for whatever I want. The other option is become a free lead system member forever, and that's something else that we can talk about in another video, but you want it to say become a prospect for whatever I want. So then you have all of these capture pages that you can choose. And they don't have to say, right here they say PLS, Power Lead System, but you can customize this page to look and feel however you want it to look and feel. So we have all of these capture pages, and then we have some other options down here, and we'll just choose something that's a little bit simple. But you can also see, we'll choose this one right here. So if I click on it, I can take a look at it and take a look at what does the background say. You can insert a video if you want to put a video in here. Maybe you have an introductory video of yourself or your business before you capture that lead over here. You can do that. So if that's the one that you want to use, we'll just go back over here, and then you can also, right in this area, you can choose what information you want to capture. So do you want to capture their name and email, just their email only, or their name, email, and phone number? I stay away from the phone number because a lot of people really do not want to put their phone number in the system. I prefer to use name and email because when I'm sending out email blasts, I like to be able to use their first name if at all possible. So I'm going to say use this page name and email, and then we're going to go down here and we're going to click make me a copy, and you'll come to a page like this. And the title of this web page to show, this is really just so you know what that capture page is that you created. So you're just giving it a title. Nobody's going to see this information. So we'll just leave it like that for now because this is just an example. Then the title of this web page, this is what's going to show up in your browser at the top of your screen up here. So whatever you type in there, that's what you're going to see there. So we'll just leave that. Then you can choose your domain. So I'm going to assume at this point you have either purchased a domain name through the Power Lead system, or you may have your own domain already from your primary business, and you put that domain name in the Power Lead system already. Okay, so I'm going to assume that you did one or two of those two things, and I'm going to choose, I'm going to create a new subdomain because I don't want to change my main domain. So let's say your domain is already in the system, but you wanted something just a little bit different, and I'm going to go, just for example, I'll go video example. And that's how quickly you can create a subdomain. Okay, and then it gives you an option for an autoresponder. So when somebody opts into a survey, that means they've entered their email address and name on our lead capture page. and then it's going to put them into our autoresponder system. You can choose from all of the autoresponder messages that we have in here. You can customize all of these, and we'll do that on another video. But at this point, I'm just going to put do not send an autoresponder campaign. The other option you have is you can link this to your Aweber or GetResponse account, and the name of that funnel could be right here. You know, I have a number of different autoresponder lists depending what the capture page is for that I'm driving somebody to. So I'm just going to attach it to my Aweber here just for fun. And then in the next option, I'm going to take this, and this is step 4 is the most important part, because this is where you want your lead to go after they opt into the lead capture page, which we set up above. So where do we want them to go? We want them to go to a sales page that's probably outside of the Power Lead system for a business that you're currently generating or starting. So I'm going to take them to my VSN page. This is not the one that I wanted. I'm gonna go here. Just bear with me here a second while I find that page. I don't think that's it either. We're working really slow here. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm going to grab my link for my other business and place that in here. And that link in my back office, you'll typically find this link when you log into your system up in your browser, and you can just copy and paste that in. My link happens to be here. If you open up your sales page, it'll probably be up here in your browser. So I'm going to take that link and I'm going to, come on, go back over here and just paste it right in there. So that will be my sales page, okay? The next thing is we have a search engine optimization area. So if you're an advanced marketer and you know all about descriptions and keywords, put your description in here for your business and your keywords to generate more searches. So after that, I'm just going to go ahead at the bottom here and save changes. Then it's going to come up with a lot of different options for your background that you can choose. And there's a lot of options here. So let's find something that's pretty and warm. I love going to the beach, any place that's really, really warm. So let's see what this one looks like. Okay. It's being really slow. Okay, so we can sort of see it in the background here. It will pop up when you do the bigger version. So basically now you can take all of this text and you can change this to whatever it is you want. So change to whatever you want. Okay, you can change the color of the text by simply going up here and changing the text color. Here's the text color. Let's make it orange. If you want to make it have a background, if you want to make it bigger, you can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. And then you can come down here and you can change this text. Then you can also click in here and you can upload your, let's say, a YouTube video or a video that you want to upload and put in there. You can certainly do that. Or there is a video that you can keep the same. So you could just go right here and of course, you would never say that on your capture page, but it's kind of fun. So after you do that, then you just go and you save your changes. And now we can go and view our web page and just kind of take a look and see what it looks like. And remember, after you do this, you can go back and you can edit it so it's never set in stone. You can make all the changes that you want. So, and of course, your video would come up here if we would change that. It is super easy just to embed a different video code there. So let's test it out and see if it goes to where we need it to go. We'll just put a dummy email address in here. And it's thinking. Sorry for the computer being so slow today. And you really can do this in less than 5 minutes, and you can create a capture page for whatever it is that you need. So if you are an affiliate marketer, you are a real estate agent, maybe you sell different things on Amazon, you can create these capture pages and take them to any sales page that you want. And remember, you always want to take them to the sales page, not your company's capture page, because you don't want them to have to opt in twice if they don't need to. And so these pages are wonderful. They're beautiful. They give you a ton of options to really create the look and feel that you want before they go to your sales page. So I look forward to sending you some more videos about how to create different things within the Power Lead system. But subscribe to my YouTube channel. Find me on Facebook. I'd love to connect with you. If you are interested in learning more about how you can use the Power Lead system to generate more leads and to make these wonderful capture pages for a business that you are currently doing, reach out to me either by YouTube, Facebook, or you can shoot me a text. My number will be below this. But I look forward to talking with you soon, and have a great day.